My dear brothers and sisters, this is the second part of Catholic priest versus Catholic people. Regarding the year 1600 century, we Christians all were converted to Roman Catholic. Roman Catholic is not a caste or not a religion in the Constitution of India. In the Constitution of India, when we people take admissions in the Catholic school, in the leaving certificate, they write Roman Catholic as a caste. Okay? Roman Catholic is not a caste. What is caste? What is the meaning of caste? Caste is uh, the work you do. Example, Koli. Koli means fisherman. This is the work. And on that base, we get what we get? We get reservations. But we Catholics in the 1600th century were NT, Nodal tribes, OBC, other backward classes, VJ, something, all that like this. We were backward classes. We were converted. We were converted and given the higher post, Roman Catholic. Okay, Roman Catholic. And this post right now in India is pure open category. Open category, pure open category. So no reservations, no government job vacancies. You will not get any. There is no reservation for in the job vacancies, and our people means have to strive hard. If they want to get, they want to become class one, class two officer, they have to strive hard. Means they have to take 99%, 98% like this. And other right now, the other government, other caste people, if they get 30%, they are selected because they have reservations. Okay. Now, just we people, what problem we face? They should, in the living certificate, they should write religion Christian, caste Roman Catholic. They write. It's okay. They should write religion Christian and caste Roman Catholic. If they write Roman Catholic, but this Roman Catholic is not in Constitution. I'm telling you. Christian is okay. Christian religion Christian is applicable to Protestant and all the Christians, those who follow Christ. Christian, and this Christian is written in the religion in the Constitution of India. Okay, but Roman Catholic is not there, and caste is not there. Okay, that might be for that caste should be. This caste is not written in the Constitution of India. Okay, now the point is of regarding uh, regarding this what do you say? If you write some example, there is Holy Cross. Okay, Holy Cross. They don't have they don't religion Roman Catholic, they write Holy Cross Kolhapur, Holy Cross School Kolhapur, religion dash no religion Roman Catholic and caste dashed. Are how is the really they write? Are if they write if they write if they write in the living certificate religion as Christian and caste Roman Catholic, okay, but they don't. What they do? They write religion Roman Catholic. Are Roman Catholic religion in the Constitution of India there is no religion as Roman Catholic. Or tell the bishop to write that religion in the Constitution of India. And what happens if we are in minority? Christian religion Christian is in the minority. Okay, it is in minority, and so we get that facilities. We people get that facilities if there is a minority admission or some minority get some government funds or there is in the minority, we people get we can travel, we can go, we get loan so that we can do education, higher education, foreign, like this we get, and that facility we don't get. Example, if the Holy Cross Convent School, Kolhapur, writes on the living certificate religion as a Christian, and this Christian religion as Roman Catholic, sorry, in the if they write on the living certificate as a religion as Roman Catholic, this Roman Catholic is nowhere mentioned in the Constitution of India in the list of the religion. What is in the religion? Sikh. Sikh is their minority religion. There are the Jainism is in minority, Christian is in minority, Muslim is in minority, but Roman Catholic is not in minority. And they write there what they want. These bishops and sisters, write anything on the living certificate. Right? Are you gone mad? We people already in open category, and if you write this Roman Catholic as a Roman Catholic religion as a Roman Catholic in the living certificate, we people will not get the government facilities. We people will not get the government facilities in future. So these bishops and sisters should remember that while they are writing, if the people, Catholic people have taken admission in the schools, they should write religion Christian, caste Roman Catholic. There is no caste for us. Okay. We were in, my ancestors were Kohli, fishermen. What say? You write Roman Catholic, but Roman Catholic is nowhere in mention in the caste as a Roman Catholic in the Constitution of India. And they don't, the school bishops don't know what is the meaning of caste. Alright, do you know? Go and read in the Constitution of India. Bishops and sisters should read what is the meaning of caste in the Constitution of India. Write in the what you write in the living certificate. Be aware. You are writing Christian. Our Catholic schools are writing religion as Roman Catholic in the living certificate, and we people get problem in future for government facilities, everything. So be aware, and this should be amendment. And and they have already written in Holy Cross School, Holy Cross Kolhapur School, already they given the certificate, living certificate as religion Roman Catholic. So there are few people who fought for it. We fought. My friend Danny fought for it. Okay, Danny fought for it, but still they don't listen. They say no, it is you have, when you took the admission you have written like this, and no. Then they did affidavit. I told them, if sisters don't do that religion as Christian and remove that religion as Christian, then you tell me. Then I will see. If they don't do, then one of the people, one of the person inform the education officer regarding this. Then they compromise and say that you do the affidavit and bring it, and then they sisters, Holy Cross Convent School sisters, what they did, they gave it. They gave that living certificate to my friend, that religion Christian and caste Roman Catholic, or Roman Catholic was not, I don't know better, but Christian should be there in the living certificate. If there is a Christian in the living certificate, there is you will get minority facilities of government. Sometimes you get facilities for the loan, government loan, or you can travel to foreign for education and you get loan. But if they don't write, these sisters, bishops, if they don't write, fathers who are running the schools, institute, they should write, be aware and write for the welfare of Catholics. For the welfare of Catholics, you write religion Christian and caste Roman Catholic, because there is no caste for us now, right now. There are Roman Catholic, okay, highest caste in the world. Okay. Regarding schools, Big colleges, engineering colleges, higher colleges like MBA, like this medical colleges. Missionary has lots of this. Okay. Right now we know since 10 years, 10 years we came to know, myself came to know when I searched in the Google that there are so many colleges of missionaries, Catholic, Roman Catholic marriages. Else we didn't know. And these bishops, local priest never informed in the church that there are so many colleges, so many institute. You people study hard, you go through, there is CET, common entrance test, you study for it, you apply for it. And in the institution, these higher colleges, engineering colleges, St. Andrews College, engineering college, there are 50% vacancies, but 50% are not filled because they are unaware of it. People, students are unaware because these bishops and all these priests never inform in the during the mass. And the vacancies, what they only 5 people come, 5 to 10 people come, they are selected on the merit. 10 to 15 people come with the CET, they are selected on the merit. And again, like St. Andrews College example, they take donations, ask for the donations. They say, we give admissions to you, we give the donations, big school, big institute, huh? And if you look at the government colleges, ST, NT, VJ, they get free of cost. They get free of cost admission on the basis of reservation. And also the fee is, example the fee is 1,50,000 in the government's in the government, not in the government. Even if the OBC and T, they get admissions in the private colleges example, the fee is around 1,50,000. They don't pay 1,50,000. They don't pay 1,50,000. They pay only 4,000 exam fees. Only exam fees. Again repeat. Same thing. Same thing. Bishops, all the bishops, and who are running engineering colleges, all these big institute, MBBS college, they should only take exam fees, not all the fees. Like how government takes fees, only exam fees of the ST and TVJ. Same thing should be done for the welfare of our Catholic, so that our Catholics will go rise up and they will earn lots of money, or they will be in happy mood, happy, and they will give, because you give admissions with less fees, and you less fees, and they got education, they will give you more. All the Catholic people, even me myself, all are honest people. Even me myself is honest. Everyone is honest, and they know, if you only the see only exam fees. Example, if St. Andrews College, engineering college, the fee is 1,50,000 per month. Only Catholic, if the Catholic people, 50% Catholics are given admissions, they should pay only exam fees, 4,000 exam fees, and other fees no. Same like, because why? Because of missionary. Because of missionary, we are in open category. Else my ancestors caste Koli. I too don't know. I have to go to the Kamidites, Goa Kamidites. My ancestors were in Goa. I have to go to the Kamidites office and I have to see. Okay? So, where I came, I don't know. So, the only exam fees they should take. Likewise, how the NTST, OBC, VJ takes gives only 4,000 fees as exam fees and other fees no. Why not? Arey, you 70 years has become 70 years past. Our people, our Catholic people, are working as sepoy in the schools. They are going to Dubai, Kuwait to wash the clothes and this, and going to London to wash the sweep there. Boy, you should be ashamed of it, huh? The missionary institutes are giving admissions to other people because they get donation 10 lakhs, 5 engineering college, big engineering MBBS college, they give, other people give 10 lakhs, 4 lakhs donations, they give admission to them, and we poor people, you don't give admissions, huh? You don't want to make our people rich. Why? Remember, this is whatever this video is for the good of the Catholic people. Since we are in open category, we don't get any admission, we don't get any reservation, we don't have to any reservation, we don't get easily government jobs, nor we get whether means we have to in private dependent there is a reservation, but still we have to work like this. There are schools, there are Catholic schools, Catholic college. You, what you do, there are Catholic big colleges. You people give them good educations and enroll them in your institutes. All the Catholics. 80% people should be from the Catholics and 20% okay, that is from outside. Second thing, another thing is that you bishops and priests have all over your world contact. You open one overseas jobs office, give them job in Israel, give them job in Rome. Example, I give me job chief secretary officer as a Pope chief secretary officer, give me job in Rome. You have contacts, you give job. Because why we are in open category? Because of this missionary, Christian missionary. In Israel, Jesus is born in Jerusalem, in Israel. But in Israel, you will not find any Christians, only all are Jews. Jesus was Jews and his mother father was a Jews. But we are in India, we are Christians. But in Israel, no one know who is Jesus Christ. Okay? That thing I will tell you later on. So, this is thing, today this is enough for. Next video I will make. But remember, the bishops and the priests all should be aware, and only fees, exam fees should be taken from the Catholics, and other fees maaf karo, no fees. If the fees in St. Andrews College 1,50,000, only take exam fees 4,000. Likewise, how the private institutes take from ST and TVJ, same thing, so that our people will raise up, our people will become, will get more education, our people will be happy, our people will build. If priests say give 1 lakh rupees to build the church, and if the people are rich, our people are rich, if they become engineer, doctor, nurses, they will give easily 1 lakh, 1 lakh, you will give 2 lakhs. But now our people don't have money to build the bishop house, to build bishop house in Sindhurga Oros. We don't have money. Our people don't have money. But if you give right educations, you take, okay, and only take exam fees, right, higher educations, MBA, engineering, only take exam fees. This should imply all the bishops in India. All the bishops in India should take care of all the Catholics. Okay? This is a good regarding an annulment. Regarding annulment, there is no RTI applied to marriage tribunal of Catholics. But if you look at the, if there is a RTI applied there, I can ask all the applications taken in this year. I can find out, and I know all the canon laws, 5 to 6, 7, 8 canon laws are there. But if I go through, all are fake. All fake decision given by the judiciary vicar. But RTI is not applied there. But if I take, they will not give. First of all, the judiciary, if I ask like this, They will not give that all the applications how the annulment was there. There it is God's. It is the God's. It is the God's applications, and we cannot give. It is spiritual. No. If the RTA applied, give me that. Give me all the 1 year, all the annulment done, and I'll make the audit. I'll make the audit, and the judicial vicar will be found fault by me. How they gave this annulment, and because I have learned how is the application, what are the laws of annulment, what are the laws of annulment. I have read it, I know it, and I can make audit of the all the judicial vicar in India, and they should not harass. All the judicial vicars should not harass Catholics. They should take, the if they have the divorce order in 1 day, in 15 days they should give it, and give the annulment, and be happy. Take the money. You take 10,000, 5,000, 15,000 you take. But we people to live in community and to follow the spiritual law, we come to you, and if we get problem, then we speak against the missionary. They give problem, they harass people. A canon law is a dictator law, dictatorship law. Okay, dictatorship law. When two people don't want to stay together, but still the canon law tells you stay together. Are you gone mad? You bishops get married and see. Then you will know the problems of married life. Priest married and see, you will know the problems of life. You don't know problem. How much time we have to invest in civil court. How much problems we have to face. How much money we have to spend. You don't care. You follow canon law. Okay, and when the priest make faults with some poor ladies, that time we save you. That time the canon law should be hanged to death to all the priests, but we people save you. You are telling of canon law, huh? Canon law. You make people easy rules. ABCD. This canon law is the ABCD law. You make it easy. Help the people. Maintain the people. Make the community. This community will help you in time of need. If anything happens to you, these people will come. But if you trouble people will trouble you. Okay? People will trouble you. So help. Give the admissions. Only take exam fees and no other fees. Let next 50 years or 25 years you make it like this. Let our Catholic people raise up, because we are very poor. Name is Roman Catholic, highest caste in the world, but we are very, very poor. Okay, very poor, downtrodden. We get jobs, downtrodden. Let our Catholics become teachers. Our teachers should be all over India, all over the world. Our teachers may give good education to our Catholics. Missionaries should give good education at not free. It is free of cost. If exam fees comes in, free of cost. Give it, take exam fees. Our teachers should be enrolled in Dubai, Kuwait, Israel, Rome, foreign, anywhere. Like this, so that they will give more money. They will give lots of money to build the schools, to build the bishop house, to build the church. Our people will give, because our people are very, very honest. But you should help them with education. Give them good education. Give them, it is free of cost. Give them free of cost education just for 25 years and see how our people are. Our people are very good. Okay, another thing I don't want to speak. Our people, Catholic people even don't know to open the Bible page. I'm telling you, even I don't know. Okay, that thing I'll tell you later. Bye bye. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe me, like me, and share my video. Bye bye. Thank you.